In this video, we'll explain how to terminate a contract in Salesforce CPQ. Let's say things went awry with a customer and we need to terminate all of their products effective immediately. We'll use an amendment to accommodate this update. We'll begin by navigating to the Accounts tab at the top left of the page and clicking the drop-down arrow to find and select the account we need to update, in this case, ABC Company. On the Account page, scroll down to the Contracts section and select the Contract Number link. In the upper right corner of the Contract page, click Amend, and then click Amend again to proceed. It may seem like we should change the end date to the day that the customer wants to terminate, but that won't accomplish what we need. Instead, we want to update the start date to reflect the first day of termination. Use the calendar icon in the Start Date field to select the appropriate date. In this case, September 1st, 2026. Next, because ABC Company's entire contract is being terminated, we want to zero out all of the line items here. Under the Quantity column, click into each line as needed and enter 0. When finished, click Calculate near the upper right corner. Because this amendment is meant to capture contract updates starting on a specific date, the new calculation will reflect the customer refund based on the cancellation start date we entered. By comparing the prior quantity and quantity columns, we can see which products ABC Company will lose as of that date. And the subtotal in the bottom right corner shows us the amount now owed to the customer. Click Save at the top of the page to confirm the updates. Now, on the Quote Details page, find the Opportunity field and select the amendment link to navigate to the Opportunity page for the account. At the top, we can confirm the refund amount. Finally, go to the Related tab and click View All in the Products section. You'll find the products now show negative quantities, reflecting the line items the customer has lost by ending their contract. By using an amendment to terminate a contract in Salesforce CPQ, we've seamlessly updated the products, quantities, and refund amounts across the account. Check out our other videos and explore related topics with Agentforce on help.salesforce.com. Thanks for watching.